What's up? We are going to install this Wyze Video Doorbell, guys. So this is similar to like the Ring doorbell, but I personally like this brand a lot. We have their cameras and I like their app. I like their camera, so we're gonna add this. This is my in-laws house. Yeah, we got some LED lights right now. We went to Home Depot. We're gonna put this here for my in-laws at their house. Check it out. We just got this at Home Depot. I believe it was on sale for $49.98 or something. And it's comes with a free app and you can monitor it, and it does also have a paid option where you can pay monthly or yearly for full video, and it's pretty affordable. It's not that expensive. I think it's like $3 a month or something like that. But let's go ahead and get into it, and let's get this installed and set up for you guys. Alright guys, so this is the chime. This is the what makes the noise for the doorbell inside the house. It goes in a little plug-in. That's the cord, I believe. The cords and the extra stuff is what JJ's got here. Okay, yeah, this is the wedge. If you want to set it up on a certain at an angle versus just straight. And then this is anchors, an extra extension cord, and the little wood anchor. Oh no, these are the electrical nuts and little screws, right? And then this is the actual doorbell, guys. It's tiny. I thought it was a little bit bigger, but that's awesome. It's a push button. It is 1080 HD, full HD. It also has night vision. That's awesome. I like how little that is. What do you think, Jay? Before we get started, make sure you download the Wyze app on your phone. You will need it. It's on Android or iOS. We're taking off this old doorbell. Alright, got these off. Alright, so next we have, this is the wedge right here. That's if you want it to point a certain way, like if we want to set it here to where it points more this way. You want to use that?
Yeah, because if you just put it straight,
and then this is the straight one. So we're going to actually use the wedge. We're planning on it, but
it looks better.
Yeah, so this is going to go right here, and then this will go attached to this, which goes attached to the actual door. Alright, we're going to put this here, maybe scoot it up a little bit so that the doorbell can be a little bit higher here. Alright guys, next we're going to attach the plate using these tiny little screws here.
If I can get them.
Alright, so we're just gonna again run the wires through the hole. If JJ can get a picture of it, it does say up, so it does tell you which side goes up, so make sure you get that side up. Put that in. Alright, next we're going to attach the actual doorbell, and this is a direct wire, so you're going to use the 2 existing wires. You do need those, and then you're going to connect them to these terminals just like a regular doorbell. And hopefully they reach. Alright guys, sorry, one of my little terminal screws fell out. These are tiny. We're just going to go ahead and add the extender wires right here. So these are cool because they have the little U hooks. cut. So we'll just take these off. These tiny little parts. 2 of these wire nuts. Straighten this out. So.
It's lighting up. Look, you can see the light. Red light right there.
Boom, that's it.
That's all it does?
And then we're gonna put these,
Just shove
place
them
them
back in
inside. Ah, it came off. Alright.
Ready to connect. Ready to connect. Ready to
Alright, we're gonna loosen these a little and turn them. And we'll do the same with this one.
ready to connect.
Hey, there we go. Alright, we got it, guys. So
Ready
now
to connect.
we set it up. It's got the light ready to connect. Next we're gonna go. Pause it.
Ready to connect.
Alright, so we're gonna go to Wyze. It's saying ready to connect. We are gonna go to the plus, add a device,
Ready to connect.
home, and it'll be actually not home. Go back.
Lifestyle.
Lifestyle.
Ready to
No.
connect.
Sensors?
Cameras. Wyze
Doorbell right there.
Doorbell.
Ready to connect.
Alright.
Alright guys, so on the app when you open it up, it has all the instructions for installation. You can skip all this if you actually use the paper instructions that come with the doorbell.
This is where we're at now. Ready to connect. Are on
Ready to connect.
how to get our Wi-Fi.
Ready to connect.
That one.
We're on this one. Oh, we need the password. Alright, we've got our
Ready to connect.
password in. And we're waiting on the QR code.
Ready to connect.
A QR code.
Ready to connect.
But there it is. Alright, so you get your QR code.
Ready. QR code scanned. Please wait.
And then you click here. I heard QR code scanned. And it's connecting. And we have the blue light and the yellow light blinking on the doorbell.
Setup completed.
Ooh. So the thing said complete on the camera, but my phone still says connecting, so we're going to cancel this and see if it worked.
It says fail to update device list.
Oh, there it is. It did work. All done. Oh! Hey guys. See JJ with the camera. JJ with the good hair. That's awesome. And then you can talk back. Oh, look, it tells you what time the doorbell rang. Motion.
And the live.
Oh, good.
Ring the doorbell. Go act like you're visiting. All right, and then we plugged in the little chime over here.
This is your early Christmas.
All right, guys, and then to add the chime, you plug it in. You hold down this reset button up here until this blue light blinks
Starts flashing.
3 times, and then you go to your Wyze Doorbell on your app, and you go to accessories, and then you'll hit plus, and add the chime. Pretty much the same as the doorbell. You'll follow the instructions. It's only like 2 steps, and then it's connected. And then you can change the name of it and also what sound it makes for your doorbell. Alright, so JJ's gonna go be a predator. That's the doorbell sound. And we can check our doorbell and see his big old face. Yeah, and that camera stays on all the time, so you can always see like, whoever's walking up to your...
You can see it's Wyze.
Yeah, you have it. Alright guys, there you have it. We got our Wyze doorbell installed. Now this is the normal one. I know they have the Wyze Pro now, and it has like a wider lens, different features, and that one's pretty cool too. I couldn't get my hands on that one. I've been trying to order it, and I think they were out. But I just ran across this at Home Depot. They're on sale right now for $49.98. This is not sponsored. I really like their Wyze products, and here are the features. Let me read them out to you. So it's 1080 HP video resolution. It's 3:4 ratio view, head to toe. It has night vision, motion detection, motion activated LED light, and it records 12-second clips that are stored onto the Wyze cloud for 14 days. And it has 2-way audio, so you can speak to whoever's on outside your door. It's also IP65 weatherproof. And it does, like I said, it does have the paid subscription where it can do person detection. As soon as it detects a person in the camera, it'll start recording until that person is no longer in the camera. So that's pretty cool. I do have one of my cameras that has that added to them, but most of them that we had like 5 or 6 on our old house, and we just had the free app and the free cloud storage, and we used it a couple times. We had someone break into our car, and we were able to get the 14-second clip and see the car and recognize it. And we also had an accident right in front of our house, and it also recorded the 20-second clip, 12-second clip. So it got a little bit of it too. But definitely check them out if you're looking for a cool doorbell. Looking for other options to the Ring, check these guys out. They are great. They're American based in Seattle, I believe. And yeah, they are. This was the doorbell and the chime together in one kit. So it took about 30 minutes to install, guys, and that is it. All I used was a drill and a flathead screwdriver is all I needed. You can do it with a flathead screwdriver and just a Phillips screwdriver, and that is all you need, and the app, of course, on your phone. But it took about 30 minutes total. So we'll see you guys next time. If you like that video, hit that like and that subscribe down below.